Hello everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at the new IQOS 3 Duo from IQOS. Obviously it stands for I Quit Ordinary Smoking. Now I've been a user of the IQOS 3.0 for several months, yeah, I can say that probably the new feature that comes with the IQOS 3 Duo is definitely a feature that in my experience has come quite frustrating, but not all the time. And that's when typically when I've finished eating food, I can normally do 2 sticks. And obviously the problem with the IQOS 3 was you only could do 1 stick, and then you would obviously have to recharge the unit. But as IQOS have said in their update with the IQOS 3 Duo, apparently now you can actually seamlessly smoke 2 heat sticks before having to recharge the device. So in that circumstance where you really need to have another stick, or you feel like you want to have another cigarette after eating or drinking or anything like that, you can actually now have 2 cigarettes in one charge. So let's go ahead and open it up and also talk about the other feature that they have put into the box. So let's just go ahead and break this open. I got the IQOS 3 Gold Duo in gold color. Previously I was the owner of the IQOS 3. Great device, fantastic device. It's helped me a lot, especially from original smoking. I actually switched from smoking to vaping, and then just recently from vaping to the IQOS. I did go through a tough time with the IQOS switching. I was coughing for about 1 or 2 weeks, but I mean that was apparently they say that we are coughing because it was getting rid of all the stuff from being a smoker for such a long time. And obviously as that 2 weeks had passed, I had stopped coughing altogether. And I obviously could taste food better, and I felt better as a person. So for me, experiencing from an IQOS device, it's definitely stopped me from smoking the real thing. I moved away from vaping because it got a bit bland and a bit boring. And I did have the hesitation to switch back to smoking again. But then I tried the IQOS and it kind of like diverted me. So anyway, to cut the spiel, let's go ahead and open this. Now, the box is exactly the same as the 3.0 box, which we have here. This is the IQOS 3.0 box. So in comparison, it's pretty much exactly the same in terms of a height and everything like that. So the IQOS box, IQOS 3 is pretty much exactly the same. There is a few changes on the actual new unit. So let's go ahead and open that up. Same as before, for those people that wanted to know. This is the unit information. We have nothing here, nothing here. Obviously the logo here, and on the back we have the deets. So let's just zoom in on this a little bit so you can see it on the sides a bit better. And some information in the box there. So let's go ahead and open this up. Nice, sweet. Now, this is my first time to have the gold version. I previously owned a gray, and that got water damage, so I had to buy a white one. And then I recently parted with my white one and wanted to get the Duo. So this is where we end up. So inside the box is same as usual. You have your instructions. Let's zoom back out again. You have your instructions. Let's see if there's anything different with the instructions in this one. Now there are several different languages, I believe. Your English ones, your customer care, and also your instructions here on how to use it. So if you wanted to have a little read of that now, you can just pause the camera there and have a little read. So it's exactly the same process as the 3.0, which obviously is you push and hold the button and then it pulses, vibrates when it's ready. So these are the new features here because this is the Duo. So let's have a look. It says, to signal the last 30 seconds or the last 2 puffs, IQOS 3 Duo will vibrate twice, pulsing white. Remove the stick. Check the pocket charger status to reset. Okay, so there is no, I guess you can just repeat the process. I haven't tried it yet. So I'm guessing with their new duo feature, that's the case. So anyway, so instructions away. Let's have a look again at the stick. Now, in comparison, I don't have a 3.0 with me to compare, but as I can see straight away that we actually have two lights now. So I'm assuming that the first light is going to represent heat stick 1 and then heat stick 2. So that's reflected here on the device. Again, with the pull cap, everything seems to look the same. The heating element, from what I can see, looks a little bit different from the last 3.0. That's just looking at it first glance. The bottom, again, there you go, you can see through the top there. So it's a little bit more heavy than the 3.0 normal original one. So that's the stick. Let's have a look at the case now. Now I do like this gold. This gold is very nice. Let's just move the box back a bit so we can get this all into the frame. This is very nice. Now, looking at the first differences, I noticed on the top we also have another two lights here. So I'm guessing that's going to represent the heatstick 1 and heatstick 2 charge phase of the stick. So if you use all two sticks, you put that in, I'm assuming that the first light will go white, so that means you can have one more stick now, or if you want to leave it in there a little bit longer, you can charge up the second, I'm assuming second battery inside. So again, not much has changed with the case in comparison from first looking. So yeah, again, yeah, everything looks pretty much the same for those changes. Now, also, IQOS have mentioned that the device is faster to charge as before. So they say that the device will actually charge your stick much faster. It's supposed to cut down half of the time. But I'm just doing an unboxing and it's my first time with the Duo. So a video will follow on probably a week later of my experience with it. Again, looking back in the box, we still have our cleaning brush. Same as before, all things good there. Also with our cleaning sticks, all good in that retrospect. Let's have a little look further inside. Okay, removing this bit. Now we still seem to have the charger and the micro USB to USB to charge your device faster. It's been an upgrade since the 2.3, I believe it is. This is quite a big charger. I got this one internationally from Singapore, so obviously this one is going to have a bit of a bigger charger, but I actually have a 18-watt charger from the iPhone 11 Pro, which I can use to charge that. Here is the specs here of this unit. So, oh yeah, if you want to find a power bank that wants to charge your iPhone 11 Pro 50% in 30 minutes, check above. I'm going to be showing you a power bank that's the size of a playing card that can charge your iPhone 11 Pro in 30 minutes. And I'm going to be using that power bank to charge this device when I'm out and about, because if I use my power bank, my ordinary power bank, it takes forever to charge this device. So with that power bank, I will be using this one as detailed actually in another video, so you can check that link above to see more about this power bank. But anyway, for now, that's pretty much it with the box. Let's zoom back out to see everything here. So everything is as normal and as expected with your box here. Yeah, so as I said, IQOS have said that the battery can charge a lot quicker, your stick. It has a bigger battery, so we'll test that out. But this was just simply an unboxing and a quick check over of the new features on the IQOS itself. So yeah, so that's that. So quickly again, zooming in here, we have the two extra lights here to assume heatstick 1 and heatstick 2. Here we have the light again to assume that it has 1 heat stick and 2 heat stick stats. Now if I push and hold the power button, it should turn us on. Now in previous videos I've seen it only coming with 1 bar of battery. Yeah, so it only comes fresh from the factory, discharged basically. So you'll need to charge this bad boy up before you can start using it. So in another video I'll probably do a quick review of how I get on with it a week later, but coming from an IQOS 3.0, the features already stand out to me. So yeah, that's my quick unboxing and quick review of the IQOS 3.0 Duo. Don't forget to please comment down below, like and subscribe my channel. If you're also an avid Iron Man fan, or you just like to have a little browse of some pretty random stuff, check out my channel. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Goodbye.